Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard maths, about the revision. So what all I am writing, write down in your notebook, children. Choose the best answer. I am going to give in the maths, and match and fill up is there. So just make a note down in this, and from this you can take down and read for the annual examination. And in this we will ask any questions. So from this only we are going to ask the question answers. So copy down this in your classwork, and I am going to write with answers only. And choose also I will write the answer. And for the match, I will give the straight answer, and fill up also I will give the answers. Okay. So what all I am writing on the board, you just make a note down in your classwork, children. So now, first we will move on to the choose the best answer. Choose the correct answer. In this, first one is 1 rupee is equal to dash paise. So that is A is 10 and B is 100 and C is 1000. So 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So you have to see the options and then you write the answer, children. 1 day is equal to dash hours. 1 day dash hours. So option is 12 hours and B is 24 hours and C is 36 hours. So 1 day is 24 hours. Okay. And C, third one. First day of the week. First day of the week is Sunday. So option is Saturday and B is Friday and C is Sunday. Okay, then fourth one. The sum of 7 plus 12 is equal to dash, that is 19. Option is 18, 19 and 20. And the fifth one, 500 plus 70 plus 6 is equal to 576. So your option is 756, 576 is 670. So I have written the correct answer. So note down everything properly, children. And then sixth, 0 plus 10 is equal to dash. That is any number if you add with 0, the answer is the same number. So you are given the option as 0 and B is 10 and C is 1. Seventh one, 500 paise. 500 paise is equal to dash. So A is rupees 2 and B is rupees 5 and C is rupees 50. So 500 paise, that is equal to rupees 5. Then eighth one. Circle the smallest unit. The smallest unit. The smallest unit is dash. A is 10 liter and B is 3 liter and C is 6 liter. So which is the smallest unit? 3 liter. The ninth one, 24 divided by 3. That is equal to 8. So option is 6 and B is 8 and C is 9. Eighth one, 5 6. 5 into 6 is equal to dash. So A is 40 and B is 30 and C is 20. Okay. So 5 6 are 30. So these are the choose I have given. So note down everything and write down everything, children. And now we will move on to the match the following. So from this only I will give the fill up, choose everything, any 5 fill up or like that we will give. So copy down this, children. Don't waste your time. Now match the following. Second Roman letter. Match the following. I am writing the straight answer. So you can also write the straight answer. Match the following. First one, ml. You can write milliliter. Ml is milliliter. And second one, L is the liter. And third, milk. Milk is a liquid. And fourth one, petrol. Petrol is liter. And fifth one, 500 paise. That is equal to 5 rupees. Then sixth one, 6 a.m. 6 in the morning. Six in the morning. 6 a.m. Then 6 in the evening. 6 p.m. Then 1 week, 7 days. Then 9, 1 year, 12 months. One day, 24 hours. Okay, so these are the match. And now we'll move on to the fill in the blanks. In this fill in the blanks, we measure liquids, smaller containers. Using milliliter. Then we measure bigger containers. Bigger containers varumbodhu what you are using liters. Smaller units varumbodhu milliliter, bigger container varumbodhu milliliters. There are dash days in a week, 7 days. Then fourth one, events that keep on repeating. Events that keep on repeating in the same manner. In the same manner refers dash. So that refers a cycle. ஒரே ஈவெண்ட் திரும்பி திரும்பி வர்றது, that is the cycle. Dash and night occurs alternatively. Day and night. occurs alternatively. Alternatively மாறி மாறி வருது. Alternatively forms a cycle. Rangoli is created by growing pattern. Rectangle in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, rectangle opposite sides are equal. Sum 6 into 3 is equal to dash 18. And the ninth one, divided by 5 is equal to 18 is dash is equal to 5. And the 10th one is square there are 2 diagonals. So these are the fill-ups for you. So I can give any 5 fill-up. Okay, children. And now we'll move on to the sums. Okay. So 10 match, 10 choose, and 10 fill-ups are given. So from this only I am going to give the everything. Okay. Now we are moving to the 4th Roman letter. Do all the sums. Add the following. First one is add the following. Yeah, rupees and paise. Okay. So 80 rupees, 20 paise and 10 rupees, 10 paise. So add this 0, 2 plus 1 is 3 and put the paise for the dot. 0 plus 0, answer is 90. So answer is 90 rupees, 30 paise. Then second sum, subtract. Same thing, rupees and paise. 540 rupees. So while you are writing the numbers, give some space and write as it is I am like writing. So don't touch the numbers. You touch you should not write. I'm sorry, this is the minus. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1 and put the dot for paise and 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. So you have to take out and write. Answer is rupees 90 rupees 30 paise, and here the answer is rupees 410 rupees 10 paise. Okay, so like this you have to write. Next, change rupees into paise. Change rupees into paise. 8 rupees, that is equal to 8 into, the sum is like this, a sum, 8 into 100 paise, that is equal to 800 paise. Okay, fourth sum. Add the following. Fourth one is add the following. So 100 tens and ones. So 7, 1 and 6 and 5, 4, 0. So if you add the 6, 5, 7 plus 5, 12. So the answer is 1256. Take down and write the answer, children. Okay. Then fifth sum. Write the days of the week. Next one, fifth sum is convert rupees into paise. First one is rupees 4 is equal to 4 into 100, that is equal to 400 paise. Then A sum and B sum. Rupees 10, that is equal to 10 into 100, that is equal to 1000 paise. Then sixth one, subtract. 980 minus 575. So 0 minus 5, it won't go here. So you borrow, this will become 10 and this will become 7. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4. So answer is 405. Okay. Okay, children, and now the next sum is circle the smallest unit. So A is 300 ml, then B is 350 ml, and C is 800 ml, and D is 275 ml. So which one is the smallest? 300, 350, 800, 275. So answer is 275 ml. So you can write 275 milliliter. Okay. And now in rupees and paise, then the next one is eighth sum. Complete the given bill. Complete the given bill and find the total amount. And find the total amount. So given serial number, item, rate, then quantity, then price in rupees. Okay, so here I'm giving sari, rate is 350 rupees, quantity is 2. So if you multiply this number 350 into 2, that gives you the 700 rupees. And the second one is shirt, 200 rupees. One shirt is 200 rupees. How many shirts you are buying? 2 shirts. So 200 into 2, that gives you the 400 rupees. Then total. So total is 0, 0, 1100. Okay. So you can multiply and say the numbers. Then ninth one, write F for the event which comes first. Which comes first. And N for the event which comes next. Okay. So first one is eating kurta. Inga eating kurta. First eating dash cooking dash. So eating first varuma, cooking first varuma, cooking the first varum, eating next varum. So you can put like this. Then second one, opening the door, opening the door dash entering the room. So எது first வரும்? First opening the door, அப்புறம் தான் roomல enter ஆகும். So opening the door comes first and entering the room comes next. So you have to put just F and N. Okay. The last one is add the numbers. Here the 10th sum I am writing now. 46 boys and 27 girls. Okay, I'm rubbing this one. 27 girls visited a park. Visited a park on Sunday. Find the total number of boys. Find the total number of boys. Total number of boys and girls visited the park. Okay, so that is boys and the 46 boys plus 27 girls, that is equal to 73 is the answer. Okay. Okay, children, have you all copied all this? So in this 10 sums, so 15 sums I have to give, so 10 sums I have given. So remaining sums will continue in the next class. So go through this, copy down everything with the answers I have given. So copy down everything and write down in your book, children, so that you can able to follow the sums. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.